I got new tires. It's been a long time coming. I was just waiting for a certain type. It turns out they're rolling them out really slow and I couldn't wait anymore because I really needed new tires. The old ones that I had were beginning to be very unsafe to drive, especially if I wanted to go on long trips and especially during the summer when it's really hot. So I had to go with the last year model of tires. Not too mad about that. This van from stock, on the sticker on the side of the door, it recommends 225/75 R16, which is what I had previous to my new tires. They were from Falcon, Wild Peak, AT3. I love those, they were great, but if I was gonna buy new tires, it was time for an upgrade. Before we go any further, I want to make it clear that I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, but if you like to BF Goodrich, let's talk. So yes, I switched over to BF Goodrich and it's the KO2 tires. I was waiting for the KO3. I've been calling for 6 months. When I say I've been waiting, I have been waiting. And apparently they're rolling them out super slowly in different sizes. Mine is last. Because I couldn't drive on the old tires anymore, I had to get something. I got the BF Goodrich KO2. They've been great for a very long time for many people. And because they are the older model, I got a little bit of a discount. So when I went to the tire store and I saw the guy there, I told him like, listen, I need to get the biggest, baddest tires in the land on this van that you can fit without rubbing. And he said, you got it, baby. Those were not really the exact words that were said, but I was able to fit a 245/75 R16, so I think it's 2 sizes bigger. I'm not a big tire expert, but I will tell you, it looks so good. It looks beefy, it doesn't rub, it's super close, which is crazy. I'm hoping that I'm not losing too much in gas efficiency. Hopefully I don't get in the single digits because that's gonna be rough. Now I am at a park. Let's walk around a bit. I'm not gonna go on a big hike. Quite honestly, I do want to be out of the van because it's getting to be a little hot. A Wakarooni is in order to celebrate my new tires. That's how I celebrate stuff. I just walk around and celebrate. This is a park that I usually like to go to when I'm in town and I have a bunch of errands to do, like changing my tires. And it's pretty close to where I usually stay at the beach, if anything. And people like to walk around, fish, ride their bicycle, do exercise, whatever. It has all of that stuff for them, or just come in and relax, which is pretty much what I'm doing today. All right, I'll see you back at the van. All right, it's almost noon, so you know what time that is. Make some lunch. Let's see what I can put together. First, I am gonna use the Instapot, but I'm actually gonna boil some eggs in it, and it takes a fraction of the time to do it with the Instapot, and it takes, I'm guessing, a fraction of the water. I have 6 eggs, the rack. 1 cup of water, much less water than in a regular pot. Put the eggs on the rack and then set the timer on pressure cook low for 5 minutes. It says if you want them softer, it's 3 minutes. If you want them medium, it's 4 minutes. But I want them a little bit harder because I also cut them up and put them on sandwiches. So 5 minutes it is. It just started. That's one of the reasons why I got this thing. It doesn't have to be like crazy, intricate dishes, but there's a lot of trick things that you can do with it that would otherwise take a lot more energy, a lot more water, a lot more effort. Because it has a timer, you don't have to like watch the eggs or anything. It just does its own thing. Whenever it's done, it's done. And then I can get on to doing the rest of the food. I just realized I should mention what I'm eating today is not just hard-boiled eggs. I am going to make a salad, but the hard-boiled eggs are going to be something that I put on top of it. So I could just eat the hard-boiled eggs, but it's lunchtime, so I eat a little more than that. I see a few of the eggs are cracked. Those are the ones across from each other, so I don't know what to think about that. All right, I'm gonna mix this puppy up and see what we got. Yeah. Slowly. I kind of ran out of the extra virgin olive oil. I could add the avocado oil on there, but I added that pesto. We'll mix it up and see if I need to add more stuff to it. Got a good amount of protein, obviously, because of the quinoa, avocado, and the egg. Cilantro for freshness. Of course, the pesto is very refreshing as well. There's also lentil mixed up with the quinoa, so a lot of stuff in there. The cabbage that I'm still working on. And this time around I did remember to add onion. In my case, shallots. It doesn't need any more oil, but it does need more lime. This one was a little bit shorter, I know. I had nothing exciting going on today, except show you my brand new tires, which I am very excited about because now I can go back to going in bigger trips and explore more once it cools off outside. Thank you for making it until the end. Check out this video up here if you want to see more van life related stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends and family, and consider subscribing to the channel. It's free and it'll let you know when I post new stuff. But that's kind of it for me for this one. I will see you in the next one. Peace.